We have reached our first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, and as part of that, I just want to say thank you to everyone who has watched and commented and liked and just supported the channel in any way. And as a way to thank you, I am going to be doing a giveaway. Watch until the end of this video and I'll tell you how you can actually enter. As part of this, we'll be giving away one copy of Final Draft. Final Draft is one of the, if not the most popular screenwriting tool in the industry. And one of the things that I think is cool about it is that it is not subscription-based, which means once it's yours, it is yours. On top of that, I will also be giving you access to one of our starter courses, and how that works is you will actually receive lifetime access, which means once you go into the starter course, you'll have access to any updates that we make to that particular starter course until the end of time. With that, I thought this would just be a good opportunity to talk a little bit about why I actually created Film Industry Gateway to begin with. Throughout the years, a lot of people I've met throughout that time, I've heard from so many of them that they wish that they could have become a filmmaker. You know, working in film was one of their original goals, but unfortunately it was never something that they pursued because the people around them perhaps told them that it is not a viable career option, and part of me just saw that as actually quite devastating. And I just want to try to do whatever I can to reduce or remove some of those barriers to entry into the film industry. In the early stages, we're focusing on film education, and then some of the more long-term goals is helping people find more opportunities in the actual film industry. And we have a number of different projects that we're working on to sort of make that a reality, but for now we are focusing on the educational part of it and just helping people learn a bit more about filmmaking so they know what it is that they are getting into. A lot of people will go into film thinking that it's just fun, you grab a camera, you go out, you make a movie, but there's a lot more to it than that. There's a lot more work. It is still absolutely fun, but there is definitely a lot more work behind the scenes. As part of this educational film content, we do have an online platform that we are gradually building. So far, we have a couple of starter courses on there. So we have a film history and theory course where you can learn about how the film industry actually got started and how the tech was invented and that kind of thing. And then we also have a screenwriting starter course to sort of get you started in developing characters, you know, finding out how to write better dialogue and a few things like that. In the near future, we're also starting on the next couple of starter courses, which is a directing starter course and a cinematography starter course. Then, of course, we do also have the full membership where, you know, you do a one payment and then you have lifetime access to everything that we currently have on the platform and everything that we will be adding in the future, again, until the end of time. To enter into the giveaway will include one copy of Final Draft as well as lifetime access to one of our starter courses. To enter into this giveaway, go down and find the link in the description, fill in a couple of details, and that's it. You've entered. I'll also put a few T&Cs down below too. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel because it just helps us work towards some of those long-term goals. That is it for today. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.